I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. Today is episode 116, and we're talking about the Dodd-Frank Act. Today's video may be a bit longer. Are we heading towards a bubble popping in real estate? I get that question a lot. There's another video on my channel that will dive into the concept a little bit deeper, but today we're going to be talking about the 2006, 7, and 8 housing market. It was on fire and the housing prices were appreciating really fast and the bubble popped. Then many people were left with negative equity, meaning they were upside down. They owed more on the home than what it was worth. It took years for some people to dig out of that problem. Part of that was because of lending practices allowing unqualified borrowers or very high loan-to-value rates. We're going to be talking about that in the next episode. One thing to keep in mind is the federal government created the Dodd-Frank Act to prevent those things. It was federal regulations that prevent some of the lending practices that led to the serious events that caused the housing market crisis. In today's market, the recent white hot market, the prices were higher, was based on supply and demand, interest rates being low, and basic principles of economics. The market is shifting, but my research says we're not heading back towards a repeat. More homeowners today have equity, and that alone creates a better situation than what we had in 2006, 7, and 8. If you like these videos, there's a ton more content over on my website and YouTube channel. You can check me out at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on most social media sites, such as Facebook and YouTube. If you like these videos, please check them out over there. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Until next time, welcome home.